At Atlantic Bicycle, we are recumbent specialists with the largest selection in Florida of adult and recumbent trikes of all makes and sizes, tandem bicycles, and recumbent tandems. We are located at 4980 West Atlantic Boulevard, Margate, Florida.
Good morning, folks. Today is July 31st, the 48th day of the Tour of Discovery. Look at that sunlight. It's just, early sunrise. Sort of sneaking up behind the clouds. Well, it was a pretty good night last night. I did get to rest. I actually ended up going to bed by about 8 o'clock at night and fell asleep, woke up at 3 in the morning, and yes, the lighthouse does work. This morning I'm getting an early start. I'm the only person here in the campground that is actually awake right now. I have two ferries that I have to get on. The first one is about a 40-minute ride, and the second one is the one that takes me to Cedar Island. That's about a 2-hour ride, and I understand, from what I've been told, there are points where you actually do not see land, and well, that's going to be exciting to have Manifest Destiny on a ferry where you don't see land. Trying to bridge the gap. I have about still 1,000 miles to ride. I'm actually right now at 1,700 something miles. That's how much I've covered. So already 200 miles have been covered since I last spoke with Eugene Ramirez from WSFL TV. Alright guys, I'm going to get going and I will catch you later.
Hello folks, July 31st, 48th day of the Tour of Discovery. It's really noisy here. We're leaving the island of Ocracoke, and it's going to be 2.5 hours riding to Cedar Island. If you were looking at Spot trying to determine why it was that I was just hanging around in this island, it was because the ferry, I had to wait until 3:30 for us to depart. We only have so many ferries once a day. Once I get to Cedar Island, it's going to be 6 p.m. and so I might have just 2 hours worth of riding. So I won't be making the distance I had originally intended today. Nonetheless, here we have the third ferry that I've been on this journey. The fourth I've been on, if I include last year's ride between San Francisco and Vallejo. Alright guys, I'll be taking some photography, and as always, I will catch you later. Well guys, after 2.5 hours worth of ride across the Outer Banks between Ocracoke and Cedar Island, we just arrived 23 miles, and we are soon going to unload, and I have still 2 hours worth of sunlight. I'm going to try to make it to the next campground. I'm actually going to see what the conditions are, but in any event, it's been a wonderful afternoon, here in the Outer Banks. So now it's Cedar Island and then into really the mainland, and well, I'll continue taking photography. I hope to be able to upload this today, and I will catch you later.